Hey guys, so welcome to Stack. Today I'll be showing you how to fix did not connect potentially security Firefox. So guys, if this ever happened to you, what you could try to do, go ahead and go to the three lines on the top right corner of the screen and then go ahead and go through the settings. Here on the settings, you could just simply go ahead and search for HTTPS, and now you will have here enable DNS over HTTPS. So sometimes turning this off for a while can fix the issue. Now if it still doesn't, what you could try to do is you could just simply go for about config, and then over here you could just simply search for this one, security enterprise underscore roots that enabled. So guys, make sure that this is true, and now if it doesn't, you could just simply click on this in order for you to make it true. So if it's false, make sure it is true. Now guys, another solution is you could go back to the settings and then search for HTTPS again, and make sure that this one, HTTPS only mode, is selected. Don't enable HTTPS only mode, and sometimes these can fix the issue. Now if it doesn't, you can just simply restart your computer itself. Sometimes restarting your computer, guys, can fix the issue. So try it out, and there you go. If you have any questions, comment down below, and thanks for watching.